Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by sketching the head with a circle and a vertical center line to place features. This gives instant symmetry. Then draw a horizontal line 1/3 down for the eyes and mark the chin farther below to set proportions. Add light guides for the hairline and ears so you can block Naruto's silhouette quickly. Once done, use faint strokes only. Keeping marks light makes corrections effortless and helps you focus on the face shape before adding details. Now refine facial features. Carve Naruto's eyes as large almond shapes with a small iris and a couple of highlights. This instantly captures his expression. Place a tiny nose directly below the eye line and a slightly curved mouth to suggest his grin. Keep lines economical. Next, sketch the spiky bangs and the forehead protector across the brow, drawing the cloth folds simply. Make the 3 whisker marks on each cheek. They're small but crucial for likeness, so ensure spacing and angle match the face. Finish by blocking in Naruto's jacket collar, zipper line, and basic sleeve folds. Keep clothing shapes readable without over-detailing. Once satisfied, ink your final lines with a steady hand, varying line weight for depth. Allow the ink to dry fully. After drying, erase the pencil guides to reveal a clean drawing. If proportions feel off or lines are too heavy, don't panic. Lightly redraw problem areas on a new layer of paper, or use an eraser to reduce darkness before rain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.